This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Accord Crosstour. This wagon has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a sunroof, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.